Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. How are you all and how is the sun treating you? Along with that, I don't want to forget the virus because it's not yet gone. How is the virus treating you? So stay safe, stay indoors and welcome to my kitchen slash hot chamber because it's very hot, it's summer approaching. So I have a nice summer recipe for you which doesn't involve the cooking. Like you need not switch on the flame of your gas burner and your kitchen is going to remain cool and the drink is going to cool you off. I'll just show you what I'm making. So as you see, I'm making the spread ready. I have some grapes here and yes, I'm making a grape mojito, of course a version 1, and I will show you what all I have. I have some mint leaves, I have some sugar and I have some ginger slices. We are gonna make 2 grape mojitos, one with the green and one with the black grapes, one a healthy version and one a not so healthy version. So let us start. I show you the close-up of the juices now. For making the grape mojito, I have taken some grape, cleaned them properly, use salt or use any kind of a vegetable wash, a veggie wash. I have some grapes. I just have some small amount of grapes into which I am adding half a spoon or even less of lemon because we don't want to make a lemony drink, and I am taking like a leaf of pudina or mint, maybe 2, that's it because I don't want to change the color, and I'm taking sugar as per my taste, about just a spoon or so, 1 small piece of ginger, a pinch of salt, and here we go. Just run it directly, try not to add water. Now once this is ready, I'm just adding about 3 spoons of water. This mix is nice and ready. I will also strain it. Let me run it once again. That's it. This is done and we need to strain it, but I'll show you a strainer. Now see, do not take the strainer for the tea. Take a strainer which is this big so we get some fiber along with the fruit. Now you see this grape extract is ready. So this grape extract is something in which we have added very less water. I'll tell you why. Now I'm taking a glass. And into this I'm adding the grape extract. Brilliant. This already has sugar, salt, ginger, and I'm taking some carbonated water. You can add any carbonated water, and in goes, and the mojito is ready. So grape mojito is ready and we will just add some ice cubes to refresh it all the more. I've made some ice cubes in which I have embedded some mint leaves. I add those and then the mojito is ready. So the cool grape mojito is ready. This is of course the version variety and I hope you have liked it. It's very easy to make. Simple, tasty, a little bit of health ignored. I've added sugar and carbonated drink. But the next one which I'm making, in that there's not going to be any sugar, and just check it out what's going to be inside. So stay tuned. I just take a sip here. It is delicious. It is really refreshing. Next we are going to make the healthy version with black grapes. So I'm taking black grapes into the same mixing jar, adding in some pinch of salt, and then I am adding lemon juice, just a little bit, just to kill the tartness because this grape has a little bit of tartness, and I'm adding just 1 leaf of mint or pudina. Into this goes a special ingredient, that is molasses. So a spoonful of molasses. If you don't have molasses, you can add maple syrup or you can add honey, anything, and add lots of water into this. Also I'm going to add some ice. I'm going to add some ice cubes. Run the mixie through in the same manner. So this mixture is ready and I'm going to sieve it in the same manner. I have run the grape juice through the sieve and I just have a glass ready into which I'm going to add some ice. So our glass is ready and here I go. And that looks wonderful as well. Grape mojito with the black grapes, healthy version without any carbonated drinks, without any sugar is ready. I'll sip it and taste and I'll tell you how it tastes. So the grape mojito is ready and I take a sip. It's fantastic. The molasses adds a depth to this particular drink. Do try it with either molasses or maple syrup or honey, and let me know in the comment section below how has your drink turned out to be. By the time beating off this heat of the summer, I say bye to all of you. Do subscribe to our channel, give it a like and share it with your friends and family. I see you next time with a new recipe or a new video. I hope you're liking my vlogs too. Do inform me in the comment section below and connect to me on Instagram. I am there for you. So, bye for now.